So what's up guys, I've got my TopBox, and we're gonna start to dismount the rear rack to assemble the monolock plate onto the back. So in order to put together the GIVI Outback onto my WR rack, I will need, that's a separate thing, we'll talk about this later. I'll need this particular plate, and this basically will sit on the existing WR rack, and we'll install this in a minute. So the plate you've seen is gonna go on the top of the rack here, so I've got to remove one screw here, one here, and two here. So I'm just gonna grab the Allen keys and let's rock and roll. So I had to drill two holes through the plate, this one here, in order to accommodate the space for the bolts that are going basically to the chassis of the bike, and this is the placement of the rest mounting points. As far as I'm concerned, this will be stable because you have two bolts here, two on each side and two in the center. So I need to detach the box now, and basically I'll put these bolts first, and basically this will align the place of this rack with this plate. So that's how the plate with the WR rack looks like. So I've attached all of these, I've drilled the holes through the plate, the GIVI plate. The only thing, I had to use a multi-tool to get rid of one of these ones, because the bolts basically they were at an angle, but they need to go right straight in. You'll see in a minute what I mean. So now the plate installed and on the bike, it's crucial that these bolts go straight, not at an angle, because underneath it you've got those two pillars. You can see them through here. So that's where those bolts are going. They're going straight into the subframe, into actual, chassis of the bike. So yeah, bear in mind you have to get rid of them two bits to get them nicely straight in. So that installed. As you can see, it's solid, it won't move. I need to fix them bolts, but that's gonna be later. It's aligned in the middle, so that looks good. And yeah, so them two bolts, they're kind of pain in the ass, but you've got to put them in. The benefit of this is them two bars basically, yeah, them two pillars, they hold in the entire structure, so you got the support. Without it, this will be flimsy. So it's a good thing that obviously them bolts are here. It's beneficial. So I finished. That's the end effect. TopBox on the WR125. I think the black color really matched the bike. I mean, I don't see how silver box will actually match, but I think, yeah, it looks mint, and I'm pretty happy that it's pretty solid. I mean, it really doesn't move anywhere, so yeah, I mean, I'm very happy about it. I just got to put some protectors for the pillion, I mean for my girlfriend, or for anybody basically who's gonna sit on the back occasionally. But yeah, pretty happy. Thumbs up.